As you can see in this video, in this email, here is the examination URL is mentioned, your login ID is mentioned, your password is mentioned. So to start the examination, a student simply has to copy the exam URL and has to paste in the updated Google Chrome browser only. Please note that no other browser apart from Google Chrome will support the examination system. Hence, you have to use only Google Chrome, like updated Google Chrome. And also, if you are giving this examination on your mobile phones, your mobile should be Android only. iOS mobiles are not supported in this examination system. So to start the exam, you have to simply copy this exam URL. You have to open your updated Google Chrome, as you can see, and you have to paste this exam URL in the URL tab as I am showing in this video. Once you paste the exam URL, you have to click on this continue button, and from here you can see that you are now directed to the login page, where you have to enter your login ID and password, which we have shared over the email. So you can see that the password which we have shared is in capital, like is in uppercase. So please note, please note that you have to enter the password in capital letters only. Once you enter your login ID and password in this login window, you have to click on the login button and have to wait for the system to respond. Once you are successfully logged in, you can see there are some instructions. You have to read those instructions, and after reading the instruction you have to click on the continue button. Now you can see it's step 1, where you have to click your photograph. Your photograph should be clear. So to click the photograph, you have to use that click button. Once you see that your photo has been captured successfully, you have to click on the upload button and have to wait for the system to respond. And as you can see, that system has pop up a message that your photo has been uploaded. You have to click on the OK button and have to click on the continue to step 2 option, which is mentioned below. Now here you can see it is a step 2, where you have to click your ID graph photo, and once you click your ID graph photo, you can you have to click on that upload button and wait for the system to respond. Here you can see the system has a pop-up message that your ID card has been successfully uploaded. Then you have to click on that start verification button. Once you click on the start verification button, you have to wait for your authorization, and once you are authorized, you will be redirected to this examination instruction page. In this page you can see that there are some multiple instructions related to your examination, and you can scroll down to read all the instructions. And in this here bottom you can see that there is a checkbox mentioned here. You have to check this box and have to click on this I am ready to begin button to start your examination. Once you click on the button, you can see that your examination has been started, and you can see on the portal that there are multiple questions, multiple video questions in your exams. Since it's an experiment examination, there will be around 3 to 5 multiple experiment videos, and you have to watch all those videos and have to conduct the experiments on blank paper. So to conduct the examination, you have to simply click on that play button, and once you watch the complete video, you have to do that experiment on a paper. As you can see, the video is playing here. You have to watch the video. You can again maximize the video to a full screen if you need, and minimize the video again. You can see the video is playing here. So you have to watch the complete video and have to conduct the experiment on a paper. And once you are done with your experiment, like when you have done your experiment on the paper, you have to simply minimize your examination you have to minimize the browser and have to open an application named Adobe Scan. It's a simple application, you can find it on Play Store. You have to open this application and have to scan your experiment. As you can see in the video, you can once you are done with your scanning, you can see that your experiment has been scanned. You can rename to the file to your question number 1, as you can see in this video. You can save, and you have to save this as a PDF. Once the file has been saved, you have to open your browser again, and when your examination browser has been opened, you have to simply click on this browse button as mentioned below the video. So when you click on this browse button, you have to choose an option of files, as you can see here. So when you click on the files, you can see multiple files. Your scan file name Q1 is shown here. So you can simply select your file which you have recently scanned using the application Adobe Scan. It's taking a time to load, just wait. It's loading. See, you can see your file is here with Q1. You have to simply click on that file and you can see that Q1 is showing here. Then you have to simply click on that upload button to upload your file, and when you click on the upload button, your file will get successfully uploaded to the system. So it's loading and your file has been uploaded. Once you are done with the question number 1, you can navigate to your next question using the button shown below, the next button. You can navigate to this question number 2. You have to watch that video and have to conduct the examination, and you have to conduct the experiment on the paper. And once you are done, simply have to repeat the steps I have described earlier. Simply has to minimize your examination portal and have to open your Adobe Scan application. Again, you have to scan your experiment number 2, and you can retake the picture if you want. And here you can see that I am renaming the file to Q2 as it is for question number 2, and saving it as PDF. And once it is scanned, I will reopen my examination portal, I mean my browser, and will click on that browse button, and will choose that files option, which will as shown here. Once it is open, you can see that your Q2 file is shown here. You have to simply select that file and have to click on the upload button, and your file will get uploaded. So similarly, like we have done for question number 1, we have done for question number 2, and now again we can see here that we are uploading a we have opened an application again for our experiment number 3. We have scanned our experiment number 3, renaming it to question number 3 Q3, and will save it in a PDF form. Once the file is saved, we will again open our browser and click on the browse button to upload our question number 3. We have to choose the file, and in recent you can see the Q3 is shown here. You simply have to click the upload button again, and your file will get successfully uploaded. So you can see that all our files are now uploaded. You can see that all our files are uploaded. You can simply click on that end examination button, and you have to confirm by clicking on the end exam button, and have to wait for the system to respond. You have to wait here for the system to respond, as it is showing that thank you for taking the test, please wait while your test has been submitted. Now your test has been successfully submitted, and you have to close the window.